DIY assembly. Enjoy the satisfaction of completing your own DIY 3D printer kit, while also becoming familiar with the inner workings of the machine and developing a deeper understanding of the principles behind 3D printing. Brand name power supply. Enda 3 Pro comes with Meanwell, a well-known company with over 30 years of experience in the power supply industry. Manufactured power supply ensures safer and faster heating of all necessary components that can heat the hotbed to 110 in just 5 minutes. Resume print technology. Enda 3 Pro can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after suffering unexpected power outages, saving time and reducing waste. New Y-axis design, redesigned with a much more sturdy 40x40 aluminum extrusion for the Y-axis base. This provides unprecedented stability for the printing surface, resulting in upgraded print quality.